How to turn on or turn off iCloud Photos Share Library Suggestions on iPhone. First, let's go back to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we tap on the Apple account name at the top. After that, go down and tap on iCloud. Next, tap on Photos. Then scroll down and tap on Share Library. In here, tap on Share Library Suggestions. And then at the top, you can tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Once it is turned on, you can tap on Add People to add people in Photos to receive suggestions from moments when you are together. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.